Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. Today's topic trigonometry, and this will be the last video of trigonometry synopsis, and from today the videos will start coming upon the trigonometric sums, and there will be many of problems. The problems are completely taken from the NCERT textbooks, which is used for class 9, 10th, 11 and 12, and this will be the last video of trigonometry as according to the synopsis. And today there is an important topic, and I also have said that there is some 6 formulas which I have to be proven by using some small diagram. I'll do that also, and there are 2 to 3 statements which have to be said. I will say that also. From today the synopsis of trigonometry will be completely clear. Okay, I have done 2 videos on trigonometry. In the past 2 videos of trigonometry were on the synopsis completely, and this will be the last video. Okay guys, shall we start? Come on. Today's topic, trigonometry. I have said you guys there are these formulas, like these are the trigonometric identities: sine 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sine theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, secant theta. These are some very important 6 trigonometric identities, and these were not explained in the previous video. Now I will explain this, how we'll get this, and there are some other angles like 90, 180, 270, 360. I'll explain those also. Okay, this topic will be completely cleared today. Come on. Now we'll take this diagram, the same diagram which we did in the past videos. 0 degrees, 90 degrees regarding the quadrants, 180 degrees, 270 degrees and 360 degrees. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant. Guys, is it visible? This is the fourth quadrant. Okay, 90, 180, 270. This takes an angle 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and when we have a complete circle it is 360 degrees. Okay, yeah, I have said that in the first quadrant all the angles are positive. In the second quadrant, sine theta and cosecant theta are positive. All silver tea cups. This was the formula which we were using while writing this quadrants method. All silver teacups. Tan theta and cot theta are positive in the third quadrant, and here cos theta and secant theta are positive in the fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. All are positive, and while coming to the second one, in the second quadrant sin theta and cosecant theta are positive, and while coming to the third quadrant tan theta and cot theta are positive, and while coming to the fourth quadrant cos theta and secant theta are positive. Okay, now we'll solve this. Just a minute guys, let me check the video is recording in the way or not. Just a minute. Yeah, it's been done. Now we'll solve this. The first one is sine 90. I'll tell 2 rules. The first one is odd multiples of pi by 2. Pi by 2 means pi means 180. 180 by 2 means 90. That means odd multiples of 90 degrees. If there are the odd multiples of 90 degrees, sine changes to cos and cos changes to sine. Sine changes to cos and cos changes to sine. Tan changes to cot. Cot changes to tan. Secant changes to cosecant and cosecant changes to secant. Guys, don't get confused. I'll give a complete clarity. Don't get confused. Odd multiples of pi by 2. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Sine changes to cos, tan changes to cot, secant changes to cosecant. Or else cos changes to sine, cot changes to tan, and cosecant changes to secant. Odd multiples of pi by 2. I'll say the odd multiples of pi by 2. 90. 91s are 90. 92s are 180. 93s are 270. 94s are 360. 91s are 90, 92s are 180, 93s are 270, 94s are 360. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this, you guys say what are the odd multiples of 90? Pi by 2 means nothing but 90. Remember that pi by 2 means nothing but 90. What are the odd multiples? 1 is odd, that means 90 is odd, 2 is even. So 90 is not an odd multiple of 180 is not an odd multiples of pi by 2. 273 is odd. 270 is an odd multiple of pi by 2. 4 is an even number, and 360 is also is not an odd multiple of pi by 2. Did you guys get it? 90 is an odd multiple of pi by 2. That means odd one. Odd multiple. These are the multiples of 90. 90, 180, 270, 360. Or else, just a minute. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. We'll take this simply. Here, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the multiples of 2. In this, what are the odd multiples? You guys say, in this, what are the odd multiples? I hope there are no odd multiples here. We'll go with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. In this, what are the odd multiples? 3 odd, these all are the multiples of 2, these are multiples of 3. In this, what are odd? 3 and 9 are odd, 6 and 12 are even. That means 3 and 9 are odd multiples of 3. Here in the same way, here 90 and 270 are odd, and 180 and 360 are even. That means 90 and 270 are odd multiples of 90. We say that the statement is odd multiples of pi by 2. 90 and 270 are odd multiples of pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90. If in case when the angle is 90 or 270 or odd multiples, after that the table continues, and any odd multiples are there means in this way, sin 90 minus theta. That means I have said that whenever the odd multiples are used, sine changes to cos, tan changes to cot, secant changes to cosecant. 90, sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant. All are 90. I'll explain this just a minute. Did you guys get about this odd multiples? Guys, are you sure? Odd multiples of pi by 2. These are the multiples of pi by 2. That means 90. Here 90 and 270 are odd, and 180 and 360 are even. Whenever the odd multiples are there, then 90 and 270 becomes odd, sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine. Guys, did you get it? First, we'll try this. Sine 90 minus theta. And this is the first one. Second one means minus means we go backward, plus means we move forward. Yeah, from 90 it is 90 minus. 90 minus means first quadrant, 90 minus theta. And you guys should also check when 90 plus means this is the angle given, sine 90 minus theta. 90 minus means first quadrant. In the here what is the angle, what is the this thing we used, it is sine. In the first quadrant, is sine positive or negative? Sine is positive. We have considered in the first quadrant all the angles are positive, that means sine is positive. Use the positive sign. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta means first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive, and sine, it is odd multiple of pi by 2. 90 ones are 90, that means odd multiple. So 90, so sine 90 minus theta, we got that it is positive, and the angle is cos theta, because it is the odd multiple of pi by 2. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Guys, did you get it? Sine 90 minus means first quadrant, and in first quadrant this angle we should check. In the first quadrant this sine is positive, and this is for in the first quadrant sine is positive, and if there it 90 is present, sine changes to cos. That is the reason why I use cos theta. This is here plus sine is not included, plus if it is there or not. We don't write like this, no, right? Plus 1 plus 2. We just write 1 2 3 4. That is, if minus sign is there, we should compulsory mention it. Okay, it is mandatory. And we'll move to the what we'll do for tan. Yeah, for tan 90 minus theta. I'll show for another angles also, don't worry. I will show for 180, 270 and those angles also, don't get worried. Tan 90 minus theta. 9 same again 90. If it is 90, keep your pen or your pencil like this. 90 minus means first quadrant. In the first quadrant, check whether the tan, what is the sign of tan, positive or negative? Sine cos tan. Yes, tan is positive. Write the positive sign here. 90 minus means first quadrant. 90 is odd or even multiple of pi by 2. 90 is an odd multiple of pi by 2. That means 90 is an odd multiple of pi by 2. Tan changes to cot. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Shall we do for secant? Secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta. Again on 90 minus means first quadrant. In first quadrant, is secant positive or negative? Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Yes, secant is positive. Write the positive sign here. 90 minus means first quadrant, 90 is odd multiple of pi by 2. So secant changes to cosecant. Cosecant theta. So sine 90 minus theta is equals to, this can be also written as cos theta, cot theta, cosecant theta. Sine 90 minus theta, cos theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. This is the way of writing these identities. Guys, are you clarified with this? Just watch this for 2 to 3 minutes and try to just practice this. You guys also try with cot and cosecant. I am giving you 3 minutes time. Try with cot and cosecant. Try with cot and cosecant, guys. Come on. Try with cot and cosecant. Come on, guys. Come on. Try with cot and cosecant. Then we'll move to the next angles. Come on, guys. Come on. Guys, it is done. Guys, is it done? Guys, is it done or not? Come on guys, come on, come on, keep doing. Last 1 minute guys, come on. We'll do with more than 90, 180 also we'll do 270. These angles will do, then you will get more clarity regarding this topic. Come on guys, come on. Come on guys. Come on guys. Now we'll do with 180. We'll do with 180 and 270. Okay? Come on. Now sine 180 minus theta. What is the answer? First, I'll draw this quadrant tables. All sine theta and cosine. You can draw roughly in this way. Sine and cosecant as t, tan and cot. Here secant and cosecant theta. Okay, here all are positive. Here only this, here this, and here this. This is 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360 degrees. 180. First 180. You should keep your pen or pencil on 180. 180 minus means backward. 180 minus theta. This lies in, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. 180 minus means second quadrant. In second quadrant is this sign positive or negative. In the second quadrant, sine and cosecant theta are positive. 180 minus means second quadrant, sign is positive. We write the positive sign. Here 180 is an odd multiple of pi by 2 or not. We'll write the table. 91s are 90, 92s are 180, 93s are 270, and 94s are 360. 94s are 360. 90, 81. Here 180 is even or odd? Guys, say me. 180 is even or odd? Yes, it's an even multiple. So only odd multiples. Whenever there are odd multiples, sign changes to cos, cos changes to sine. That rule will be applicable. Whenever they are the even multiples, just write the same thing. If it is sine, write the sine. If it is cos, write the cos. If it is cot, write the cot. If it is even, if it is tan, write the tan. Doing that way, guys. Okay. If it is sine 180 minus theta, 180 minus means second quadrant, sine is positive. 180 minus means sine is positive, and 180 minus 180 is even. Sine does not change to cos, sine remains as sine. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Okay, sine 180 minus theta means sine theta. Just a minute, guys. Now we'll do it for sine 270 degrees. Shall we do it for sine 270? Sine 270 minus theta. Sine 270 minus theta. 270 means, keep your pencil or pen or your pointer in this way at 270 degrees. So 270 minus means it moves to the third quadrant. 270 minus means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, is sign positive or negative? Guys, tell me. In the third quadrant, is sign positive or negative? Here only tan and cot are positive. That means all the others are negative. Here only tan and cot are positive. That means all the other angles are negative. And here sine is negative. In the third quadrant, sign is negative. We use the sign minus. 270 minus theta. Is 270 odd or even multiple of pi by 2? Check that. Is 270 odd or even multiple of pi by 2? 270 is the odd multiple. That means sign changes to cos. Minus cos theta. Sin 270 minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Sin 270 minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Guys, are you getting? Sin 270 minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Now we'll try with cos. Cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta. This is 180 degrees. Cos 180 minus means it moves to the second quadrant. 180 minus means it moves to the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. Why? Because here in the second quadrant only sine and cosecant are positive. All the others are negative. That means cos is negative. So we use the sign minus. 180 is odd or even multiple of pi by 2. 180 is the even multiple of pi by 2. Then cos remains as cos. Cos 180 minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Again, shall we try with tan? Yeah, we'll try with tan. Tan 180 minus theta. Tan 180 minus. 180 minus means second quadrant. 180 minus means it moves to the second quadrant. Guys, is it visible? 180 minus means second quadrant. 180 minus means second quadrant. 180 is the even multiple of pi by 2. In the second quadrant, is sign positive or negative? In the second, guys, let me know. Is the sign tan theta positive or negative in the second quadrant? Here only sin theta and cosecant theta are positive. All the other are negative. That means it's minus. 180 minus theta. 180 is the even multiple. Then tan remains tan itself. Minus tan theta. Tan 180 minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. Okay guys, now I will give you two sums. Do this. Tan 270 minus theta. This is the first one. And secant tan 270 minus theta and secant 360 minus theta. Tan to same way guys, same way. The way we are doing it, same includes here also. Do this. Come on. Guys, keep doing. Come on guys, keep doing. The questions are tan 270 minus theta and secant 360 minus theta. Come on guys, come on. Keep doing. I'm giving you 1 minute time because these are very small sums but really important. Come on guys, keep on doing. Tan 270 minus theta and secant 360 minus theta. Guys, is it clear? Tan 270 minus theta and secant 360 minus theta. Pause your video and come on, do it. I'm giving you 1 minute time guys, come on. After 1 minute, I'll start doing. Pause the video and try to do it guys, come on. Pause the video and try to do it guys, come on. Come on guys, come on. Guys, I'm doing. Guys, I'm start doing. Guys, shall I start? Yes, I'm starting. Tan 270 minus, this is 270. This is 270. 270 minus means it moves to the third quadrant. 270 minus means in this way. 270 minus means it moves to the third quadrant. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 270 minus means it moves to the third quadrant. in the third quadrant tan is positive or negative. In the third quadrant tan and cot are positive. Here we have tan. That means tan is positive. Tan 270 minus means third quadrant. Here tan is positive. 270 minus means third quadrant. Tan is positive and 270 is odd or even multiple of pi by 2. You have to check these two things. Whether first you have to check your angle 270 or 90 or something which is given in the question. According to that you should do. And the second one is you have to check whether it is positive or negative, the particular angle in that particular quadrant. And next you have to check here the angle given is odd or even multiple of pi by 2. If it is odd, 270 is odd multiple of pi by 2. That means tan changes to cot plus cot theta. That means simply cot theta is the answer. Tan 270 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Now come to this, guys. Come on. Secant 360. Secant 360 degrees. 360 means the pointer stands here. 360 minus means it comes to the fourth quadrant. 360 minus means it comes to the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, check whether secant is positive or negative. Here, in the fourth quadrant, check whether secant is positive or negative. Here, secant is positive. That means 360 minus secant is positive and secant 360 minus theta. 360 minus secant is positive in the fourth quadrant. 360 is odd or even multiple of pi by 2. 360 is the even multiple of pi by 2. That means secant does not change to cosecant and secant remains as it secant. So finally the answer is secant theta. Secant 360 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Tan 270 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Okay guys, in this way we will be doing this. In the previous video I was not able to say that proofs because the video was so long, so I just included in this video this topic. And till here complete synopsis of trigonometry is completed. Okay guys, these are the complete thing which is there in the trigonometric of NCERT regarding 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. This is completely basic. Complete basics have been cleared in these 3 videos. If you are not aware of those videos, you also check in my channel. Those videos also available. Please see those also. So in this way, this diagram is really important, guys. Not only this, and when we move from sums tomorrow, this diagram is really very important. So please note this diagram as a star mark. And the rule, odd multiples of pi by 2. Odd multiples of pi by 2. Okay guys, from the next video I'll be starting the problems of trigonometry, and these trigonometric problems will be very good, so we can enjoy those problems. This completely synopsis is from NCERT, guys. This complete synopsis is from NCERT, and the thing which I have taught is completed from my notes. Okay guys, this synopsis, the topics are completely from the NCERT textbooks. I have covered each and every topic from that NCERT textbooks, and some of the topics were so lengthy by giving different kind of examples, but those topics I have covered while doing some of the examples in the first or second lecture. I was not aware of that. In the first or second lecture, that topics I have covered in the way of teaching some kind of examples like hypotenuse, length, breadth, etc. Those all. Okay guys, this is the complete synopsis of trigonometry. Okay guys, that's all for today. From tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will be starting off saying chemistry also. Chemistry also completely based on NCERT. I'll start that also. Randomly I'll complete with maths also. Okay guys, I am collecting the topics in such a way that the topic should be useful for 9th class, 10th class, into first year and second year. So that is the way I am getting trigonometry, and the next topic after trigonometry will be some applications of trigonometry. Yeah, that is also really interesting, guys. That is really interesting while solving applications of trigonometry. In applications of trigonometry, only you should know about that table, trigonometric table. If you know that and some of the formulas, complete application trigonometry can be completed only in one day. that is it, guys. This is the last video of trigonometry regarding the synopsis. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next videos. Okay guys, bye bye.